Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by building the template that the whole process relies on. Open a new Google Sheet, create the date, student ID, name, status, and notes columns, and freeze the header row so it stays visible as you scroll. Make the header bold and add a contrasting background color to reduce errors. Once done, set column widths and apply wrap text to name and notes. These small format steps save time and prevent misalignment later when you import or share the sheet. Next, implement validation and light automation to keep data clean. Use data validation on the status column with a drop-down of present, absent, late to avoid typos. Add an app script that writes a timestamp in the date or time column when someone marks attendance. Alternatively, use controlled formulas for checkboxes that trigger now, through a script to avoid volatile updates. Protect student ID and header ranges, so finish by adding reporting and backup layers so the attendance is useful. Build a summary sheet using COUNTIF or a pivot table to show totals per student and daily attendance percentages. Format results for quick scanning. Set an automated backup via app script that exports CSV to Drive on a schedule or simply make a copy weekly. If something breaks, inspect protected ranges, data validation rules, and open the app's script execution log. Often permissions or a changed range cause failures, so adjust accordingly and reauthorize the script.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.